Are you ready to dive into the thrilling world of FPV drone racing, or searching for the perfect high-tech gift that combines excitement with education? Look no further than the GISAEV LF699 FPV racing drone. This sleek black and grey marvel isn't just about breakneck speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. It's a feature-packed, beginner-friendly quadcopter designed for both adrenaline junkies and aspiring pilots. With its powerful 6A brushless motors and low-latency transmission, the LF699 delivers an exhilarating and responsive flight experience that will leave you breathless. Unleash unrivaled performance and precision. At the heart of the LF699's impressive performance are its brushless motors, providing superior power, efficiency, and a significantly longer lifespan compared to brushed alternatives. Experience smooth, rapid acceleration and stable flight even in challenging conditions. The drone's 4K high-definition wide-angle front lens, coupled with a bottom optical flow lens, allows for dynamic camera angle switching, capturing stunning aerial footage. What truly sets it apart is the servo gimbal design with enhanced stability and EIS electronic stabilization, ensuring your photos and videos are remarkably clear and shake-free, even during high-speed maneuvers. Smart features for seamless flight and exploration. The LF699 isn't just fast, it's incredibly intelligent. Thanks to accurate GPS positioning, you can rely on features like one-click return, automatic return in case of signal loss, and low battery return, giving you peace of mind during every flight. With an ultra-long endurance 3.7V 2000 mAh lithium battery, enjoy approximately 22 minutes of continuous flight time, ample for extended racing sessions or exploratory journeys. Beyond the racetrack, learning and fun for all ages. Perfect as a birthday gift, the LF699 goes beyond pure racing. Its beginner-friendly design includes parental controls and STEM learning features, making it an excellent tool for fostering an interest in technology and aviation. In a learning mode, you can set 3-speed controls, 0.5 to 3 meters per second, and a 30 m altitude limit, allowing new pilots to gradually build confidence and mastery. Explore its advanced capabilities. Customizable flight routes. Draw your desired flight path directly on the intuitive app and watch the LF699 execute it flawlessly. Intelligent following and surround flight. Let the drone automatically track your movements or orbit a point of interest for dynamic footage. Palm control and real-time map positioning. Enjoy intuitive control and always know your drone's location on the real-time map. Advanced obstacle avoidance. Equipped with an obstacle avoidance head, the drone can quickly stop when encountering obstacles, preventing collisions and ensuring safer flights. Gesture photography. Capture stunning selfies and group shots with simple hand gestures. Lightweight and regulation-friendly, weighing a mere 184 grams, the LF699 avoids the hassle of national air traffic regulations often imposed on drones over 250 grams, making it easier to fly in many regions. Robust control and safety, featuring 5 GHz anti-interference control and certified with EN71 FASTM F963-17 for safety, you can trust in a secure and reliable flight experience. What's in the box? The LF699 FPV racing drone package comes complete with everything you need to get airborne. LF699 drone. Remote control. 2000 mAh hot swap battery. For spare fan blades. Small USB cables. Screwdriver. 2 user manuals. Phone clip. The GISAEV LF699 FPV racing drone is more than just a toy, it's a gateway to high-speed adventure, aerial photography, and educational exploration. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or looking for the ultimate gift, the LF699 promises an exhilarating and rewarding experience. Click a like if you enjoyed this review and subscribe for more drone tech content.